हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शॉर्ट हैंड विद विनय। ये डिक्टेशन 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पे होगी और इस डिक्टेशन का पैसेज प्लस जो टफेस्ट आउटलाइन है उनकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है, आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। In the instant special appeal, the appellant had challenged the jurisdiction of the learned single judge to take up the matter and pass order dismissing his writ petition full stop. It has been submitted by Shri Ashwani Kumar, learned advocate of the appellant that the order was passed on 11th October, 2000, when the learned single judge was taking up service writs relating to cooperative societies and matter for orders, admission and hearing full stop. The appellant was working as a driver in the office of Assistant Sugar Commissioner, respondent number 4, who admittedly was not working with the cooperative societies, full stop. It is well settled that the Chief Justice alone has power to confer jurisdiction on the judges as to what matter a judge shall take up, full stop. In this connection, Mr. Ashwani Kumar has relied upon a decision of the Supreme Court in State of Rajasthan versus Prakash Chand and others, EIR 1998 SC 1344, full stop. A division bench of this court in State of UP versus Devi Dayal EIR 1959 Allahabad 421 considered the scope and powers of the Chief Justice under the Constitution with particular reference to Rule, Chapter 5 of the Rules of the Court, full stop para. It is not, in my view, open to a judge to make an order, which could be called an appropriate order, unless and until the case in which he makes the order has been placed before him for orders either by the Chief Justice or in accordance with his directions, full stop. Any order, which a bench or a single judge may choose to make in a case that is not placed before them or him by the Chief Justice or in accordance with his directions is an order, which, in my opinion, if made, is without jurisdiction, full stop. Rule 1, Chapter 5 of the Rules of this Court, provides that judges shall sit alone or in such division courts as may be constituted from time to time and do such work as may be allotted to them by order of the Chief Justice or in accordance with his directions, full stop para. It will appear from a perusal of the above provisions that the High Court as a whole, consisting of the Chief Justice and his companion judges, has got the jurisdiction to entertain any case either on the original side or on the appellate or on the revisional side for decision, and that the other judge can hear only those matters which have been allotted to them by the Chief Justice or under his directions, full stop. It, therefore, follows that the judges do not have any general jurisdiction over all the cases which the High Court as a whole is competent to hear, and that their jurisdictions limited only to such cases as are allotted to them by the Chief Justice or under his directions, full stop. The full bench precisely dealt with an objection raised in that case to the effect that since the writ petition was a part-heard matter of the division bench, it was not open to the Chief Justice of the High Court to refer that part-heard case to a full bench for hearing and decision, full stop. It was argued before the full bench, that once the hearing of the case had started before the division bench, the jurisdiction to refer the case or the question involved therein to a larger bench vests only in the judges hearing the case and not in the Chief Justice. Full stop. It was also argued that the Chief Justice could not, even on an application made by the Chief Standing Counsel, refer the case, which had been heard in part by a division bench for decision by a full bench of that court. Full stop.